2008 Yamaha WR450F exhaust. Got Allens. You can take this cap off. Gives you this little spout, which then has more Allens. We're gonna see what's behind that.
It's behind door number 1.
If you don't strip them out.
If I don't do that.
Oh, there's all the restriction right there. Little gasket here, but oh, here it is. There's your screen. It's got metal gaskets on either side of this. I don't know, see if it flows any better now.
I don't know, see if there's all this electric part.
I bet it's loud, dude.
We're probably gonna lose our eardrums.
Yeah, nothing like starting a bike at after 10 o'clock at night.
Subdivision loves us. Oh, now it's going even louder in here. Care about us, not the people in the subdivision.
Care about my 2 sleeping kids.
Oh. Yeah.
Maybe just don't rev. I thought it when it... Why did it like burgle for a second? So weird, man. It's out of power now. Did you hear it right there at the beginning? It sounded like it wanted to.
Do you have a light to shine on in there?
Shine in where?
On the exhaust.
Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Just so you kind of see, guys, all those different little chambers, those little... That's how it keeps the sound down, but it also keeps the power and flow down, obviously. You have kick-started this so much tonight, you're going to be sore in the morning. Probably about the same as a YZ.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's flashing. It's like it bonded up. Stupid WRs, dude.